Are you looking to move your USDT from OKX to Coinbase quickly and safely? In this video, I'll guide you through every step of the process, from finding your Coinbase deposit address to successfully transferring your funds. Let's get started.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged in, 1. Navigate to Assets or Portfolio on the main dashboard. 1. Search for USDT, Tether, and click on it. 1. Select Receive to generate your unique deposit address. Here you'll see the USDT deposit address. Be sure to choose the correct network, like ERC20 for Ethereum or TRC20 for Tron, depending on how you want to transfer your funds. Pro tip: always double-check the network to avoid losing your funds during the transfer. Now let's switch over to your OKX wallet. 1. Open the OKX app or website and log in. 1. Navigate to Assets and select Withdraw. 1. Choose USDT from your list of cryptocurrencies. Here's where you'll paste the USDT deposit address from Coinbase. Before proceeding, it's crucial to select the correct blockchain network. ERC20. Higher fees but widely supported. TRC20. Lower fees and faster, but ensure both platforms support it. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and double-check everything, especially the address and network. Once you've verified the details. 1. Click Confirm or Submit. 1. You may be asked for 2FA authentication. Enter the code to approve the withdrawal. Transfers typically take between a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network speed. Pro tip: track the transaction using the Blockchain Explorer. OKX will provide a TX head you can use to check the status. And that's it. You've successfully moved your USDT from OKX to Coinbase. If this guide was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more expert cryptocurrency tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.